My name is Dikshit. I am studying second standard. My school name is St. Philomena's High School, Chandapura branch.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamidavarani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Four
Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda Veda.
Planets in solar system.
9 planets in solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Pasya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Five oceans of the
Five
world.
Five oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean.
Seven continents of the world.
Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Neighboring
countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring
states of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Jnanapith Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapith Award winners of Karnataka: Kuvempu, Dharavendre, Shivaram Karan, Masti Venkatesha Iyengar, V.K. Goka, V.R. Aranta Modi, Irish Karan, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
States and
capital: Andhra Pradesh Amravati, Andhra Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, Bihar Patna, Chhattisgarh Raipur, Goa Panaji, Gujarat Gandhinagar, Haryana Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh Shimla, Jharkhand Ranchi, Karnataka Bengaluru, Kerala Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, Maharashtra Mumbai, Manipur Imphal, Meghalaya Shillong, Mizoram Mysore, Nagaland Kohima, Odisha Bhubaneswar, Punjab Chandigarh, Rajasthan Jaipur, Sikkim Gautam, Tamil Nadu Chennai, Telangana Hyderabad, Tripura Agartala, Uttar Pradesh Lucknow, Uttarakhand Dehradun, West Bengal Kolkata.
Prime
Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Jawaharlal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.V. Deve Gowda, Indira Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Presidents
of India: Rajendra Prasad, Satyabari Ramakrishna, Zakir Hussain, P.V. Giri, P.V. Jatti, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy, Jai Singh, Ramaswamy Venkataraman, Venkataya Sharma, K.R. Narayan, A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ram Koti, Draupadi Murmu.
Seven colors in rainbow:
violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names
of Rutu: Vasanta Rutu, Sisma Rutu, Sharanta Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
National symbol: Flag of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem:
Jana Gana Mana.
National song:
Vande Mataram.
National emblem:
Lion capital.
National flower:
Lotus.
National animal:
Tiger.
National sea animal:
Dolphin.
National bird:
Peacock.
National fruit:
Mango.
National vegetable:
Pumpkin.
National language:
Hindi.
National calendar:
Saka calendar.
National book:
Bhagavad Gita.
National game:
Hockey.
National tree:
Banyan tree.
National river:
Ganga.
National flag color:
Saffron, white and green. Thank you.